In many countries, people were facing a problem and issue. What was the issue? That many of them, they were living in such localities where there was no masjid or madrasa within their proximity. And they used to complain that, how can we learn Quran, how can we make our children learn the Quran when there's no masjid or madrasa nearby? Then Alhamdulillah, your Dawateislami stepped up over here as well. And your Dawateislami established another department which is known as Faizan Online Academy.
我的名字叫 Zainab， 我住在洛阳，我很高兴在这里学习。
We live in Seattle, Washington. I work for Microsoft as software engineer, and also we are so blessed to be part of Faizan Online Academy classes. We take classes and through which we get to learn Quran Pak with Tajweed. So Jazakallah khairan kasira, everybody. Thank you, Amir Ahle Sunnat.
Thank you, Dawateislami.
Alhamdulillah, so far, more than 21,000 students have acquired the knowledge of Islam through 30 different courses from 75 different countries of the world. Wherever you are in the world, if you also want to learn how to recite the Quran, if you also want to enroll in Dars-e-Nizami course, if you want your children to acquire the knowledge of Islam, or you want to enroll in any of the 30 courses that Faizan Online Academy is offering from the comfort of your home and from the convenience of the time that suits you, then enroll today in Faizan Online Academy by visiting this website or contacting us on this telephone number. All over the world.